In this episode of The Plants, we've moved over to the side of the garden into my shade area, and the area I'm creating shade for some shade-loving plants. And we are looking at plant number 7, Metapanex X Stout is what I was told it is. It is a cultivated variety of Metapanex delavayi, also known as false ginseng. And the stout refers to the thicker leaves. This plant is I put it in the ground a year ago. It's done well. It was only this tall. It has grown a good 2 to 3 feet this season. Now, this plant will grow upwards of 12 feet tall, 10 feet wide, creating just this amazing dappled shade as the sun moves onto the west side, cast, and it should allow and create a nice dappled area here in my yard to help keep my shade garden going. It does flower. It is getting ready to flower now. If you follow me on my socials, The Angry Gardener on Facebook, once this actually does bloom and go to seed, I will be sure to share some pictures. But when it blooms, it will have flowers of green and white, and then it'll put on like a black fruit. When it comes to propagating Metapanex, you can either take stem cuttings, root and water, pot up and grow, or collect the ripe berries later in the fall before the birds eat them, and then you can extract the seeds from there, put them through a cold stratification process, and then move on to planting and growing them. And I am going to try both processes this fall. Now, this is evergreen. It was evergreen definitely for me last year. We had a mild winter. It's cold hardy down to the upper ends of zone 7. I'm in 8B, as you'll recall, and I just absolutely love the look at it. I acquired this at Cistus Nursery, and some information that I was able to find is that this cultivated variety was developed by seeds collected from the fine folks at Cistus Nursery. And if you haven't been to Cistus Nursery down near Portland, Oregon, oh my gosh, you've got to go. If for no other reason, just to visit and look around. Amazing nursery and some really cool plants. We've got a number of them here. So there you have it, Metapanex X Stout, a cultivated variety of Metapanex delavayi. And this is from, the species is from China and the Vietnam area of the world. So can't wait to see this continue to grow, thrive in my garden, and really add some interest for visitors that come to my garden. All right, until next time, happy gardening.